What's up mga bike buddies? Kamusta na? Kamusta na? It's a very, very, very long time. Sobrang tagal na. I think it's been months since the last content. I think yung content ko na huli. Although, yeah, yung nilinis ko yung, I think that was 2 weeks ago. Naglinis ako nung MTB tire na white. And may mga stains kasi siya so hindi ko matanggal. I've been asking dun sa channel if merong magko-comment na what do they do. Kasi na ano yun eh, naulanan, and then nagkaroon ng molds, and then na-stain yung puti. It was new when I got it. Medyo yellowish na talaga siya. But kahit papaano negligible. But anyway, today, I'm gonna show you something special. I just got it a few days ago, and I really wanted to share it on the channel na makita nyo na this is my first ever haul for 2025, January 2025. It's a very, very special item. It's not a bike frame, but these are bike parts. And I got it abroad, overseas, brand new old stock, brand new in original box. It's just missing a pedal. Oh, that's a hint. That's it. It's just missing a pair of pedals, but grabe, very mint condition. I got it. Kumbaga, steal na siya for its price. No? It's a steal na for its price. So, yeah, so the plan is for this 2025 is to do contents again. Try to find some stuff na interesting like bike parts. And if you know, if the page is Ako Si Pobreng Makaluma, I love old stuff. I'm an old soul. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin mga lumang bagay-bagay sa mga pali-paligid. Of course, we're gonna ride our bike, look at what's old stuff, and just discover the wonders of old stuff. But of course, mainly it will house yung mga aking passion, hobby, which is the bikes and bike parts. Mainly classic. When you say classic, 80s, 90s, pwede mag-vintage, 60s, 50s kung makakita tayo. Why not? Anyway, I'm so excited. Diyan lang kayo. Stay tuned because grabe to. It's new in box. Ito na.
O yan. So, ito na yung galing ng overseas. So, actually, galing to ng Italy. It's a group set of X1 Chroma, buong grupo, na, yan, tingnan natin. So, ayan, no, mga cambio posteriori. I think that's rear derailleur. Direglatore antefacena. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin yan. But, yung complete set yan, except for the pedals. I think, nasabi naman sa akin ng seller na wala talaga yung pedals. Pero, kompleto siya. As in, this is the original box. Yan, so set pedals yan, wala. Ito na, buksan na natin. And charan! Oh, nakabalot pa pala to mga to. So, isa-isayin natin yan, pero nakalagay dito, Grupo X1 Chroma MTB by Suntour. So, buksan na lang natin isa-isa. So, ayan, ito with original Diacom cables. Kompleto yung cables yan, even Canti cables. Nandiyan din. Meron pa tayong Diacom for X1, XCE, XCM na cantilever brakes manual. So, original pa rin yan. It's in the box. Kung kasama siya dun sa box. So, tara, buksan na natin isa-isa.
Drop that. Ay, yeah. Ay, ay, yeah.
Yan. So here we have the complete set of the X1 Chroma. Kung nakita nyo, pink of course yung kanyang color kasi may iba-ibang colors yan eh. So we have the AP cogs, we have the levers, ito yung shifters, and then we have the cantilever brakes of course, and then traditional BB, bottom bracket, and then Suntour headset, the Suntour hubs, yan, ito yung FD, RD, tignan nyo naman, very fresh, very mint. I think this is short caged. Yeah, very nice. AccuShift. And then we have the X1, Saki X1 cranks. This is, I think, 28, 38, and 48. Yan. And then hubs, and then the chain. The chain is also, Saks pala yung chain, hindi pala siya Suntour. So, ayan, complete group set. Walang labis, walang kulang, except for the pedals. Yan.
So yeah, and that concludes our well, first ever video of 2025. So just keep on following the page. I'll be continuing to um, upload contents every now and then. Most likely every week, rides and all. So we have that X1 Chroma arrived just a few days ago. And I don't know kung anong gagawin ko dun eh. I don't know if kung ilalagay ko ba sa bike, I'll keep it as it is, na nasa box lang niya kasi it's original. In its original box, I don't have the pedals. I might look for the pedals. So, marami ako iniisip. But I do have the Cannondale na new in-box din. And then we have the Trek 8700 that, it's essentially new old stock na pwede pa rin nating i-build. But it would be nice kung yung pagkakabitan ng X1 Chroma is new old stock din na frame. And of course, what does that mean? Pwedeng mag-let go tayo ng mga ibang new old stock ng mga group sets natin because we have other group sets here. I still have other parts. I'm still building the page catalog. So I'm building that so that we can give you kung ano yung mga for sale items natin na new old stock. Of course, classic parts. Mostly MTB, a little bit of BMX. But yun na yun. Hindi pa ako nagre-restock ng mga items na iba. So, kung yung inventory natin from last year, it's kind of the same except for a few items that I'm throwing in because it's from my personal stash. So anyway, until next week, I'll probably next week, let's see if we can do a ride this coming Sunday. And then I'll see you next time. Kung mabang makasablamuhan niyo ako sa kalsada, just say hi. Anyway, always ride safe, stay safe, take care.